What the heck is that? Is that that's the actual brake line? It looks all rusty. I think that is done. Clean and see if we can sort it. So this is just off the rear seat. The plan was simple: buy a cheap tow car that I can fix. Right, let's have a look at these brakes. What we're going to do now is take this wheel off and have a look what's behind and see if there's a problem behind here. So we've got Harry here who's going to loosen the nuts off before we jack it up. So we've got Harry helping today. He's going to take the wheels off and jack the car up safely. Alright, so go on Harry, jack the car up. I've got the axle stand on and the jack still up, so we're going to take the wheel off now and find out what's behind. Right, so we're missing the, oh my god, we're missing the brake line and the flexi hose. Let's go around the other side. So let's around the other side. See if we can see it. See if we can get under here. Yep, we're missing the flexi hose there that runs across there, up and over there, and then the brake line goes up there. That bit that goes straight up there. Right, let's get the mat. Let's get the mat underneath. Oh, further back. Oh, I found it. What the heck is that? Is that that's the actual brake line? It looks all rusted, to be honest. I think that's what's happened. It's rusted and then they cut it. Right, what I'm going to do, it's going to be one of these lines here, and to find out which one it is, I'm going to wiggle it and we can find out straight away. So, you just wait there now, wiggle the line. Can you see which one it is, Harry, or not?
Yep, I see it. It's this one.
You see it, yeah?
Yep.
Stay there. Which one was it? Point to it.
This one right here.
Right, so that one there is the one that goes to that side of the brake. What we need to do now is order the flexi bit for this bit here, and I'm gonna order some brake pipe and see if we can sort that out and attach that to that. There'll be an attachment on one of these sides. So I think the best thing to do is take this off and then copy the way it goes down past underneath the car, and then make the last bit up with copper pipe down this side. So I need to get them parts ordered straight away. That is well dangerous. That is definitely not MOT ready. Right, I'm going to stick the wheel back on because it's going to be a couple of days before I get the parts. And as soon as them parts come, we'll get straight on it. I want to clean the inside because along the floor it's all a bit messy, but as you can see it's pretty filthy in here, so I'm going to give it a clean. And then I thought, oh, I'll have a look what's under these. It's manky as hell. Look at all that there. That's obviously people transporting stuff in the back of it. And then we've got this side as well. So what we'll do is give that a hoover so we can sort the next bit out. Right, let's get all this mess cleaned up. So we're getting all the carpets nice and clean so I can use a Vax power wash and see if we can get it a lot cleaner than it is, because it's filthy at the moment. So this is just off the rear seat. Oh, got it a lot cleaner. So this is all the floors. After I've cleaned it, it looks 10 times better than it did. It's still not perfect. I'll show you around the back. This bit looks miles better. Still little bits and bobs. And then the boot liner is a lot cleaner than it was. If you like this video, go check out my next one. I'm going to do all the videos in separate parts, and at the end of the week I'm going to get the full video together so you can watch the whole thing all the way through. But all the way through the week you're going to be able to see different snippets. So every other day I should get a video out so you can see what I'm up to. So in this video we got all the carpets nice and clean. It smells a lot better in here. In the next one I'm going to get the gas filler cap on I am going to get the bonnet struts and the boot struts on and fit the new wipers. So I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.
It's always